at Mindy's Craft Shack. Today I'm going to show you how to properly and safely mix epoxy. Just a few things that you will need to do so is your gloves. Now these are nitrile gloves. You should not use the gloves like you would find in the dollar store. They're more or less for cooking, handling food. These are more protective for your hands and skin. Again, these are nitrile gloves. They're gloves that you would find at a hospital. You can get them on Amazon for a good price. Also, you will need a respirator mask. Now, these masks, I got this on Amazon. These masks have a filtration system in them, and they fit tightly against your face. You know it's on properly when you take in a breath and it kind of just suctions to your face. So that's something you will want to use. Also, you can use a mask that's called an N95, and that N95 mask, I am going to start using that when I do my videos, just so you can hear me better. But for today's video, I am going to just use this respirator mask. I want to put it on, show you how to put it on properly and stuff like that. So unfortunately with this mask, I cannot wear my glasses, which makes it kind of hard to see. So when putting this on, you have this head part here. And it just fits over your nose, and then you have this strap that connects behind your neck, and you pull on the straps to tighten it up. And then you have two straps here also that you want to tighten up to give it that nice tight fit. Alright? Like I said, it is a little bit harder to hear me, but you really want to wear this mask or an N95 to be able to work with this epoxy, because the epoxy does have fumes and it is not good for your breathing or anything like that. So I do have my epoxy already divided up, A and B, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to mix it correctly so you're not getting a lot of bubbles. So I'm just going to bring my camera down now. And what I've done to make sure I have equal parts, I don't know if you can see, but I've put a black mark on the line where I want to fill it to. And because I'm going to be using this on a tumbler, I went ahead and marked it at 20 mils for the A and 20 mils for the B. And now I'm putting in another 20 mils of the A. So I just put the B in. I'm scraping as much as I can off the medicine cup, and that's all I use to measure these out in. That's all I use to measure is medicine cups, and you can get like a pack of 500 for like 15 bucks on Amazon. So then I just take a stick, it's a resin stick, so it is silicone, and I just slowly turn it. The faster you turn it, the more bubbles you're going to get. And I keep stirring, and you will notice that it is getting pretty cloudy now. That cloudiness will go away when it is completely stirred. The fewer bubbles, the better off you will be. You won't get a lot of pits in your tumblers and stuff like that. It does take a little bit longer to just sit here and slowly stir this, but it is well worth it. You want to make sure you're scraping the edge or the sides. I don't know if you can see, but it is starting to clear up. I just see a few streaks in there at this time. Now I do get some big bubbles. I don't know if you've seen them, but they do rise and pop on their own. So again, scraping the side. Very slowly. And I just want to see if I can see how well that's mixed. And it looks really good. See how clear that is? Now you might see a few micro bubbles, but nothing like you would see if you would have done it fast. And by the time I start pouring pouring this, those micro bubbles will have risen and popped on their own anyways. So that is how you mix your epoxy to where you do not get all those little micro bubbles. And that is how you mix it safely with your mask and your gloves. I can't tell you enough how important it is to wear your mask and gloves. So I want to thank you for coming and watching this video. And if you'd like to see more videos, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and you will be able to see more videos from Mindy's Craft Shack. Y'all have a good day. Love you. Bye.